Oh my gosh, they're still there. They don't even want to walk here. That's just itchy, man. Can you give me a hand?
No.
Come on.
No.
I need a third hand.
No, I'm not helping.
No?
No, sorry.
Okay. Thank you, man.
Yeah, dude, no problem.
Oh my
Good
god.
luck with that, though.
Yeah. Oh my. Oh God. Hey man, can you hold the book? Oh my God.
Yeah, right, man?
Itchy, can you help?
Nah.
Can you help? Hey, can you guys hold the book for me? Thank you. Oh my God. Hey buddy, can you help me for a sec? Hold this.
Hi, Nia. Hey. Sorry.
Yeah, let's go to the parties, bro.
Oh my God, I don't even have my phone. I'm gonna pay
Thanks,
you back.
Hey guys, we were filming a social experiment.
Oh, that's what.
So funny.
Oh my God.
I thought you were so serious. And then I felt bad. I'm like, oh my God. She goes,
He's got a problem.
and then you would come back. I'm like, oh my God. She's like, he's coming back. He's coming back. Oh my God. That was so funny.
You guys had Probably good reactions. Is that cool if we use that in our video?
I'm cool with that.
Sweet. I'm not gonna do knuckle touches or anything. I'm good. Did you guys laugh? Did you react?
I thought it was funny. I like looked at my phone because I didn't want to like laugh.
Is it okay if we use that?
Yeah, okay, dude.
Let's do that.
Shit, you're right. Oh my god. That's funny. Okay. Oh man.
You didn't see the stick?
I know, like I didn't notice the stick until he said it. He was
okay.
like, what's that stick for?
Boom! We were filming a social experiment, guys.
We knew it. Sociology.
No, YouTube. Say hello to YouTube.
Wait, that was so funny. I knew it was real.
Did you guys laugh hard? You guys, get in. Get in. It's raining.
Also, thank you, man. You're the best.
Get in.
Can you run 8 miles?
Come on.
Please.
Get in.
Please.
8 miles?
Come on. You can do it.
That's rain.
Yeah, it's about to rain. I just looked it up on my phone. So get in. It's about to rain. See? I told you it's about to rain. Look, it's raining.
Is it?
Yeah. You're under umbrella. That's why you're not feeling it.